Hello food lovers, today I'm making juicy pan-seared chicken thighs with a beautifully golden exterior and tender succulent meat inside. This recipe is quick, it's easy and it's beginner friendly. So for this recipe, I'm using bone-in skinless chicken thighs because it is lower in fat, but it's still so juicy as the bone helps retain some of the moisture. You can choose to use bone-in skin-on chicken thighs if that's what you prefer. And to season, I went ahead to add some paprika powder. I also added some cayenne pepper for some heat. Cayenne pepper is actually optional. You can choose to do without it. I also went ahead to add some Italian seasoning, some dry parsley, some chicken seasoning, and some salt. Last but not least, I'll be adding some vegetable oil. Once your vegetable oil is in, go ahead to massage all the spices so that your chicken is well coated with all the spices. So guys, thank you for watching to this point, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my amazing videos. So guys, make sure you make sure that all your chicken is coated with the spices. Cover and store in the refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours. And to start cooking, I went ahead to add some vegetable oil into a clean pan. And once that is hot enough, you're going to take your marinated chicken and just place them flat into the oil. I added some vegetable oil. If I was using some skin on chicken thighs, I might not need to add some vegetable oil. You just heat up your pan and place your chicken on it. The skin will release a lot of fat in the pan. But I added some oil because I'm using the skinless chicken thighs. So just make sure you lay your chicken really flat on your pan so that it cooks evenly. So for this recipe, make sure you're using a non-stick pan to make your cooking much easier. And also remember that all the ingredients for the recipe will be listed in the description box, so you can check that out much later. Now, chicken thighs are one of the most flavorful cuts of chicken because they are naturally fatty. They contain more fat, and that extra fat helps keep the chicken moist and tender while it cooks, making it much harder to dry out. Another thing is that they pair well with just about anything. So while you're cooking, make sure you don't overcrowd your pan. And also, it's important to be patient because we are cooking this on medium heat. And also resist the urge to move the chicken around too soon. Just let it cook undisturbed. And once it's undisturbed for a while, you begin to see that golden crust like you see on the screen. It has started browning, and this is the first time I checked on it after putting it on heat. Just resist that urge to move it around too soon. Let it cook. And once it cooks, you'll see that it begins to turn brown. Once it turns brown to your satisfaction, you can then flip your chicken just like I'm doing. So carefully flip each piece over and continue cooking the other side until it is cooked through. And also, depending on the size and thickness of your chicken, the cooking time may vary. As you can see, the chicken I'm using is really big, it is large, so this took a longer time to cook. Now, I'm just going to let the other side fry until it is cooked to my satisfaction. So guys, let me know how you love to have your chicken. Do you love it deep fried, pan seared, boiled, cooked, grilled, air fry? How do you love to have your chicken? Let me know in the comment section. So at this point, my chicken is ready. You can see it is nicely golden brown, and it's ready to pair with any side dish of choice. So once the chicken is fully cooked, let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Now this allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, giving you even more tender and flavorful chicken. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video to your family and friends. Thanks again for watching guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.